How to reset Crunchyroll account password. So if you want to reset or recover the Crunchyroll account password, then you just need to simply open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, or you can also go with your application. So I'm here with my browser, and under your browser you can simply go and search for www.crunchyroll.com and then go with the login option, tap on login, and it will take you to the login page, right? So if you want to reset or recover your password, then you just need to simply tap on forgot password option. Once you tap on forgot password, it will take you to the reset password page where you need to enter your email address. So enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, tap on send, and once you tap on send, it will send you a reset link to your email address. So simply open up your email address and then check your inbox if you've received the link or not. So you will receive the link. Simply tap on that Gmail, and here you need to tap on click here to reset the password. Tap on click here, and it will take you to this kind of page where you need to enter your new password. So enter your new password and then retype your new password. Once you retype your new password and enter your new password, simply tap on next, or simply tap on reset password, which is here on the middle of your screen. Once you tap on reset password, your password will be changed. So that's how you can reset or recover your Crunchyroll. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.